following footage was uploaded on YouTube by a man who had recently moved into a new home with his wife. However, after a few days, strange things started happening. What happened next was absolutely terrifying. Let's watch the footage.
Wow. What? What are you going in there? This is fucking rhino. What was that, dude? What the fuck was that? This is camera recording. Huh. That's fucking weird. I never... Oh, Jesus, fuck. Dude. Oh my god, I got fucking chills. When the fuck did they just fall, dude? This never falls. This thing has literally never fallen ever. And it's against the fucking wall. Oh, it's alright. Let me get over to you. Oh gosh.
One night, he heard a strange noise coming from the bathroom. Curious and slightly concerned, he took out his phone and began recording as he walked toward the source of the sound. As he carefully searched the bathroom, everything appeared normal. However, what he captured on camera was absolutely terrifying. A dark black figure could be seen sitting silently inside the bathtub. What's even more chilling is that he didn't notice the figure while he was recording. It was only later, when he reviewed the footage, that he discovered the disturbing presence. The sight left him completely shocked and terrified. The strange events didn't stop there. The following morning, while casually recording a video inside the house, a mirror suddenly fell to the floor on its own, without any apparent reason. As the days passed, the unexplained activity became more frequent and increasingly disturbing. Concerned for his safety, he decided to install CCTV cameras throughout the house to monitor what was happening. But when he reviewed the CCTV footage, what the cameras had captured left him frightened beyond belief.
due to its extreme event nature. This program
I just got home, and as I was walking in, I heard some banging noises in here. So that's why I'm setting up the camera right now to find out, what the fuck it is. Max, shut up! Ain't nobody here. The fuck? I was up against the fucking wall. God, this fucking thing is... It's not... Well, I guess it is a window, too. God dang, that thing is fucking filthy. Hello? Hello? Oh, Jesus. It's just my lighter.
The CCTV cameras captured numerous unexplained events throughout the house. Objects appeared to move on their own, without anyone nearby, and strange activity was recorded in multiple rooms. Perhaps the most frightening sight was a tall, dark figure standing motionless near a doorway, seemingly watching from the shadows. In another clip, while man was cooking in the kitchen, he noticed a chair moving by itself. Startled, he turned to see what was happening, but there was no one there. As more and more disturbing incidents were captured on camera, he became convinced that something paranormal was present inside the house. What do you think? Are these genuine paranormal events, or could there be another explanation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. A man named Me recently posted a series of videos on his TikTok account showing the terrifying events that began taking place inside his home. Me has always loved collecting dolls, and one day he brought home a new doll and placed it in his kitchen. At first, everything seemed completely normal. But shortly after the doll arrived, strange and unexplained things started happening throughout the house. Objects appeared to move on their own. As the activity became more frequent, he decided to record what was happening. What the cameras captured left him completely terrified. Let's watch the footage.
Caraca, velho, olha isso. Caiu. Estou achando que eu tô zoando, cara. Eu tô sozinho em casa ainda. Minha mãe não chegou ainda. Aqui não tem ninguém no banheiro. Vou até fechar a porta. Na verdade, vou até deixar acesa a luz do banheiro aqui, gente, pra vocês verem que não tem ninguém aqui. Deixar acesa a luz. Olha isso, gente. Caiu. Caiu tudo, cara. Cara, como que pode isso, meu? Só caiu só a parte de baixo. Vou mostrar pra vocês que eu tô sozinho em casa. Minha mãe não tá aqui, gente. Vocês podem ver. Ó, a máquina tá lavando roupa ali. E olha isso, gente. Cara, ó. Olha isso, pra vocês verem. É brincadeira ou não? Tá, eu vou mostrar o quarto aqui pra vocês, ó. Eu tô sozinho. Ó. Não tem nem como tá embaixo da cama, gente. Porque aqui não cabe nada embaixo da cama. Muito menos dentro do guarda-roupa. Onde vai entrar alguém embaixo do guarda-roupa? Tá doido? Olha isso, embaixo da cama. Vê se tem alguém aqui. Não tem como. E tem uns tapetes velho aqui. Uma sacola. Mas agora, olha isso, gente. Meu Deus do céu, velho. Caiu tudo. Mano, eu tô grilado aqui, cara. Hoje vai ser o dia que eu vou dormir o quê? Com a porta aberta, não. Com a casa toda acesa. Só pode, né? Olha isso. Ai. Caramba, velho. Quase caí. Que isso? Cara, vocês viram isso, cara? Pelo amor de Deus, o que foi isso? A cadeira, gente. Ah, não, velho. Isso não é sério, não. A cadeira voou. Cara, antes que fale qualquer coisa que tem linha amarrada aqui, ó. Tô mostrando pra vocês, ó. Tem nada, cara. Tem nada, ó. Meu Deus do céu, o que foi isso, cara? A cadeira, velho. Como que pode? Que susto. Cara, tropecei no tapete, quase caí em cima do ventilador. Tá amarrado. Um susto, achei que eu que tava vendo coisa. A mãe foi lá pegar a vassoura pra mexer nele. Vira ela pra frente. Eu vou jogar esse troço fora, vou queimar. Cuidado, vira ela pra frente. Ui.
Tá na bichinha.
Ela vira de costas toda vez que arrumava ela pra frente.
Não, vira ela pra frente. Aí. Aí.
O que você foi nela?
Como assim?
Eu tô voando.
Sei lá. O trem começou a se mexer do nada. Olha lá.
Eu tô voando aqui.
Ela começou a se mexer do nada. Olha lá.
Eu tô voando aqui.
Olha lá a mão dela. Ui.
Você
Joga
fez?
fora.
Para, amigo, pelo amor de Deus.
Oi. Eita, pega.
Pelo amor de Deus.
Oi. Eita, pega. Oxê, que dia acho que é isso? Tá achando que eu tenho medo? Ó, tem medo não. Se eu demonstrar medo aqui, aí que ele vai querer se aparecer na frente. Oxê, que é isso? Oxê, abrindo o negócio ali. Só demonstrar medo aí que... Só demonstrar medo aí que o negócio fica... Mas eu mesmo assim não tem medo não. Tem medo não. Acho que eu vou lá pra casa de mamãe, né? Acho que eu vou lá, só pra ver como é que ela tá.
Later that night, while Leandro was sleeping, he was suddenly awakened by a loud crashing sound coming from the kitchen. He quickly grabbed his phone and began recording as he went to investigate. But what he discovered was both terrifying and shocking. He found that kitchen utensils and other items had been thrown onto the floor. Confused and frightened, he searched the entire house, trying to find the cause of the disturbance. However, he couldn't find anyone inside. Believing the incident was over, Leandro began walking back to his room. But just as he turned away, a chair suddenly slid across the floor toward him with force. The unexpected movement left him terrified and completely stunned. In the next clip, while Leandro was in the kitchen, his CCTV camera captured something even more disturbing. A mysterious white shadow briefly appeared in the room before suddenly vanishing without a trace. The following night, Leandro decided to stay awake and keep an eye on the kitchen area, hoping to catch whatever was causing the strange disturbances. As he sat quietly watching, something unsettling happened. The kitchen cabinet doors began opening on their own, one after another, without anyone touching them. Leandro watched in disbelief as the doors slowly swung closed, seemingly by an invisible force. After experiencing so many chilling events, Leandro became convinced that something paranormal was present inside his home. But what do you think? Did Leandro unknowingly bring home a haunted doll? Or is there another explanation for these strange occurrences? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. She was alone at the school, but what happened next was terrifying. This video was uploaded by a woman who recently posted the footage on TikTok, where it quickly went viral. She works as a janitor at night shift in school when she began hearing several strange noises echoing through the empty halls. Concerned that no one would believe her, she decided to record everything to prove she was telling the truth. But what happened next was even more frightening. Watch the footage.
I just walked out here, got my car back. The store's being weird. It was opening and closing by itself. It shouldn't be doing this. You can shut the door now and stop messing. Oh my god. Way over there by the door. I can. That's where the switch is, right there. Trying to vacuum up. What's going on? They already replaced the sensor. Let's see if it goes off again. Fixed sink. These are only supposed to go off if somebody puts their hand there. switch is way over there by the door. Now you want to stop because I'm recording. So I guess there'll be no vacuuming and sweeping today. I got this set up in the gym today, so... The fuck? There's nobody in here. Oh my gosh. There's nobody in here. This is locked too. Nobody. Make sure this is good. That's fucking scary. Alright, well, I'm good. I'm getting out of here. I ain't gotta mop and sweep anyway.
During her recording, she captured several terrifying events. First, she witnessed a door opening and closing on its own, with no one anywhere near it. A short time later, while cleaning near the restroom, she heard the sound of running water. When she went to investigate, she discovered that a faucet appeared to be running by itself. But the strange incidents didn't stop there. Moments later, an alarm suddenly started going off for no apparent reason. Then, while reviewing the CCTV footage, she noticed something even more disturbing. A trash bin appeared to be thrown onto the floor without anyone being present. The woman says she has no idea who or what this thing could be. Many viewers believe that what appeared in the footage was not normal, and that the school building may be haunted by a mysterious presence. So, what do you think? The following footage was recently uploaded on TikTok, where it quickly went viral, gaining more than 12 million views. The family was sleeping when a disturbing event occurred during the middle of the night. What occurred next left them terrified and searching for answers. Watch the footage closely.
Vente. Le están tocando.
Sí. La niña empezó a llorar.
No haga mucho ruido para ver quién es. No prendas. ¿Cómo rápido? Está bien inquieta, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Ya son casi las 3 de la mañana. ¿Dónde están las llaves? Hoy. No se ve. Voy a abrirlo. Ahí quédate, espérame. No hay nadie. No hay nadie. No, uy, otra vez. se ve nadie. Así menos. ¿Quién será? No es nadie, Ceci. Yo creo que ya nos subimos a dormir. Ya. Vámonos. Vámonos porque igual le voy a enseñar la hora. Siempre pasa lo mismo. Miren. Son casi las 3 de la mañana. 25. Siempre hace lo mismo, ¿verdad? Ya vamos a... voy a cerrar otra vez.
The family claims that while they were asleep late at night, they were suddenly awakened by a loud knocking sound coming from their main door. At first, they were frightened and unsure of what to do. However, curiosity soon took over. The man grabbed his phone and began recording as they cautiously made their way to the door to investigate. When they finally looked outside, they were shocked to find that no one was there. They turned around and started heading back inside to their bedroom. But just as they were walking away, the knocking sounds suddenly returned, louder than before. By this point, they no longer felt comfortable going outside. Instead, they returned to their bedroom and tried to ignore the disturbing noises. According to the family, the mysterious knocking continued throughout the entire night.
Tranquila,
Jenny, ábreme, papi.
¿Qué quieres?
Jenny, por favor, ábreme.
Oye, escuchas.
Ábreme ya. Apúrate, ándale.
¿Qué quieres?
Jenny, ábreme.
No te voy a abrir. No te voy a abrir.
Ábreme ya.
Calma la niña. Tranquila, mami.
Ándale.
No te voy a abrir. Vete.
Jenny,
Oye, no manches, ¿viste?
ábreme.
Vete. Esto es impresionante. Lárgate, lárgate de aquí. No te voy a abrir, lárgate. Lárgate. Tú no perteneces aquí. Vete.
The following night, the mysterious knocking returned. But this time, it was even more intense than before. Once again, the family decided to investigate and began recording the strange events. As they cautiously approached the front door, they suddenly heard what sounded like a terrifying scream coming from outside the house. The chilling sound left the entire family in shock. Fear quickly took over, and they decided they had seen and heard enough. Unwilling to risk further investigation, they immediately stopped recording and retreated back inside. According to the family, the scream was unlike anything they had ever heard before, making the experience even more disturbing. So, what do you think? Did the family capture the voice of something paranormal? Or could there be another explanation behind this frightening event? Decide for yourself. The following footage was recorded by a man who reported hearing unusual noises inside his home while alone at late night. Unsure of what was causing it, he decided to investigate. He grabbed his phone and started recording. What he captured on camera would leave him completely shocked. Many viewers believe the footage shows something paranormal. Watch closely.
Son 3 de la mañana. Estoy escuchando ruidos de... Ahí están. Esos son los ruidos. que se escuchan en el patio. Voy a salir a ver. Son 3:10 de la mañana. Benjamin, te quedas aquí. Estoy escuchando ruido desde el galpón, como voces. Voy a ver. Se están escuchando ruidos acá. Ahí dejaron de hablar. Hace días que vengo escuchando ruidos acá. Ya no sé cómo... Se cayó de acá un botín. Ya igual a estas alturas miedo ya no tengo. Concha de su madre. Esos hijos de puta. El coche yo no lo dejo ahí aparte. Siempre aparece el coche en cualquier lado. Ya no sé qué. Hijo de puta. Benji, ven acá. Ven y Benji acá. Se me desvanecen las piernas ya. Ya no sé cómo vivir. Benjamín, vení conmigo. No te vayas, vení. Quédate acá. Quédate acá. Deja de ladrar, quédate acá. ¿Dónde estás mirando? Vení acá, Benjamín. Vení acá.
The situation quickly became more disturbing. His dog kept barking at something that wasn't visible to the human eye, as strange events began unfolding throughout the house. Moments later, objects appeared to move and fall on their own, making the atmosphere even more unsettling. Then, something truly bizarre happened. A mysterious white figure appeared just outside the doorway. It remained visible for only a brief moment, before suddenly vanishing without a trace. The sight was enough to send the young men into a panic. Overcome with fear, they screamed and rushed away from the area as quickly as they could. Since being posted online, the footage has sparked intense debate. Some viewers believe it shows genuine paranormal activity, while others think there may be a logical explanation. What do you think? Was this a ghostly encounter, or something else entirely? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.